go watch a movie tonight?
No, we have work to go. We have to go on my papers.
We can mark papers and watch a movie. No?
Brian thinking about it.
You can't mark papers and watch a movie.
No.
I don't work at night.
Oh, go.
Ali.
Oh, which animal that behind me? Like,
Whoa!
Get to the hospital or something?
I don't know. What's more than light? Oh my gosh!
He has on his hazard light.
Oh.
Yeah, thank you, Jesus.
Oh.
That was like,
Because if it's closer to the back, so that blowing.
Yeah.
Pursuant to the Broadcasting and Radio Rediffusion Act,
Woo.
the Broadcasting Commission has determined that
That
on
was
September
so
29,
No, that's good.
2016, between 9 a.m. and 9:15 a.m., Fire 105 transmitted a song with problematic lyrics promoting the abuse of illicit drugs as an avenue for stress relief. Furthermore, the song was aired in the morning when young children were part of the widespread
I don't
listening
know.
audience.
They were going to movie and marking
Children's
papers.
Code for programming, which requires broadcasters to
We're not
schedule
going to
content
movie, please.
so that potentially harmful material is not transmitted at times when children can reasonably be expected to be a significant part of the audience.
Could I have number 5?